All right, grab that old book and let's introduce it into our creative space. We're just going to rip a page down into an A2 size, and then we're going to take our stamp image and stamp it right on the page. We're going to need to emboss it to make it pop off the page. The words get a little busy and the stamp image needs to stand front and center. Then we're going to take some distress ink and we are going to distress around the sides of the page. It looks so wonderful and it's so fun to give it a grungy look. Now let's make our sentiment. We're just going to stamp it onto a craft piece of paper and cut it down into a tiny little tag. It's always good to try to use this as a pattern, the one corner to the other, but it doesn't always work. So here we go, just kind of cutting it down to make it look even and punching a hole in there. Then we're going to distress around the sides, and now we're going to start assembly. We're going to take some twine, tie it around the card base, put the sentiment on there and tie it into a nice little bow and then adhere it into place. Now we're going to put that on our base and then we're just going to add whatever embellishments that we love to give this holiday card a little twinkle.